All right, so now we're going to try to install these TMI door cards. They come with these templates. They also come with this weird little jig, and you're supposed to line the jig up with the features on your door. Nothing lines up on this door, so that's trash. But they do give you these nice little templates that show all the holes you have to drill for the inserts. It also shows you where those two holes go for that template. So that saves it. I'm going to tape this on the door, get these holes drilled so we're ready to go, and then we should be okay-ish. So let me see, I'll show you when I get this taped up. All right, so I've taped the template to the door. Drilled my 1/8" holes, and I drilled an 1/8" pilot hole at each of the 9/32 locations. That should do it for the template. So I'm going to pull that off there now. Drill out my 9/32. There is a hole right here that's suspiciously close to that, so hopefully that's not going to be a problem. Anyway, then I will start the next step. I'll bring you back. Okay, so I've taken the template back off, drilled the holes. Now all I've got to do is I got to apply the strip caulk and put on this rain shield. This is just a piece of Mylar, and the idea being that you just kind of seal it up. You don't do it across the top apparently, but you seal it up in this groove that you see here, and then and I think you tuck it down in that hole, if I don't miss my guess. So yeah, all very clean, nice little setup. Now that I look at it, I understand it a lot better. But I'm gonna put the strip caulk in these grooves, get this set up, and be ready to go to put the, I gotta put the trim strip in first, screw that on across the top, and I'll bring you back and show you what I'm into there. Okay, so I've applied the strip caulk to the channel, down through here, stopping at the gutter, and up through there. So yeah, that should work really nice. Now I'm just going to apply the panel, see if I can make this work. That's probably okay. So now I'm going to take this, put it back on. Like so. There. I'm going to tuck this in down here. Yep. I think I got to be a little lower up here. Maybe over here too. Maybe a little forward. There we go. All right, that should do it. Tape it. Tuck it. And again, all this does is keep the moisture from coming down inside your door card. We'll just seal that against the strip caulk. Peel the tape. I got these particular rain shields from Ames. I like them. They're all pre-cut. You can get them for the coupes or the convertibles. Of course, the door is the same for coupes and convertibles, which was interesting because the print from TMI said Camaro coupes, Not convertibles. Didn't say convertibles, but it's the same door. That does not change. All right, hang on one sec. And I just got one of these little roller thingies just to kind of get that flat. That'll help. Mush that down. And there we go. Rain shield, done. I like it. Most people, they tear these cars apart the first time, they just throw this thing away. I don't need that. But it is kind of important, especially if you have a wooden door card or a cardboard door card. The ones I'm using are fiberglass, so it's not that bad. Okay, next step, top trim. All right, now, I did get, when I bought these trim pieces, this is the trim for the deluxe trim. The reason I got the deluxe one is they're a little wider in here than the standard. Now, I did not find any documentation from TMI that said that that was needed or a good thing or a bad thing, but they didn't mention anything, so I don't know. They didn't even tell you you needed this, but you obviously do, because this is what holds the top of the card on. I will say that TMI instructions were a little lacking. Again, they only call out Camaros, not Firebirds. They don't respect the bird. Well, should have had this done before. Now, I need 5 screws. Yep, 5 screws. Five screws. Looks like the center one is a round hole and the others are slotted. All right, so I'm just gonna apply this. Done. I'll work my way down through. This door is an aftermarket door. It was actually purchased from Jegs as a Jegs branded door. Very, very happy with it. The windows fit good. Specifically, I see a lot of people are struggling with AMD doors on the vent windows. Trying to get those in there right. Didn't really understand that until after I had everything painted, but I was lucky. This one went together really nice. So, can't complain. Yeah, a little bit of blue tape still on that. All right, let's get that last screw in. Hopefully, what is happening there? Looks like it's full of paint. Oh, come on, seriously. Huh, I'm gonna have to drill that out, I guess. There's another panel in behind that. It does not make it nice. I'll have to check that on the other side before I apply. Okay, that's ready. Now we're gonna take the door card and, oh no, it's not ready. To put the handle ledge on. Now the handle ledge goes like that. Okay, so this is the handle ledge, and so I don't see my holes anymore. Right there, right there. Okay. I just snapped that through the Mylar. And this attaches the door handle to the door frame, so you're not just pulling on the door card. Like I said, I always recommend these films. They are nice. Just keeps the inside of your card nice and doesn't let any mold in there. And you can see how it works. I mean, it just, any moisture that gets in there, it sheds down and goes out the holes in the bottom of the door. Okay, let's try the door card and see if it's gonna work. It's exciting, hopefully. All right, so first step is to kind of line this up, get it going up underneath there. Ooh, is that gonna go right in? Come on. That never happens. To me, anyway. What's happening here? Wow. Nice setup. Not bad. I think it clears my well okay. Not too shabby. It clipped right up in there nice. Holds in right position. And all I gotta do is the cup. Where's the cup? Whoa, what's that? I don't know. Oh, these go in the bottom. Okay. They sent you these two little foam thingies here with no instruction, but I believe they go in the bottom of the door handle once you get the screws in. I will probably just set them in there because, you know, you never know. I have to take this off again. But that's it. And there's just a slot in that ledge so that it's pretty forgiving as far as alignment goes. Looks good. I'm just gonna tuck this in here so I'll remember to do it later. And that, oh, you know what I forgot to do? Forgot to poke the holes for my, my door handles. why don't we do that next? I'm going to use the same trick I used before. Heat up a punch till it's glowing red. Find my location and push it over. Woohoo! Stanky! All right, one more. It's down here somewhere. Done. Okay, now that is ready for handles and cranks. Yeah, and what that does is that makes a nice heat seal on the plastic, so now you don't have to worry about it fraying or doing anything weird to you. So, yeah, not bad. Feels good, feels rugged. Like it. I like the orange stitching. Huh? Nice. Okay, I'll bring you back when I do the handles. All right, I got the levers and cranks on. You can see them over there. Yeah, that was pretty good. That was a pretty good project. I had one minor problem over here. When I put this door card on, something happened to kick the bottom of the door out, chipped the paint a little bit. So I got to correct that. That'll be fun. But anyway, yeah, this is coming together. Seats are next, and then the final windshield trim, and I think the interior is, the center console is probably next. Got to get that done. So, yeah, it's coming along. Just got to kind of sort out this door, get the bottom of it kicked back in, fix the paint chip. Yay. That was just a shitty way to end the day. But anyway, that's all in. Door cards came out great. Looked good. Like I said, I'm not sure what interfered over here, but when I slammed the door, the bottom of this door kicked out. So, yeah, gotta deal with that. But anyway, the top stayed where it was supposed to be. But anyway, we're getting there. Back seats in, carpets in, kick panels are in, door cards are in. Now I guess it's time for seats in the windshield trim. Probably do the center console, windshield trim, mirror, all of that, and then do the seats last, just so I can get in there and move around easily. But yeah, that's that.